This is West-MEC, a career and technical education district offering students countless pathways to discover their future. Here, career education isn't a path just for some, it's an advantage for all. Students step out with credentials, job experiences, and college credits, ready to launch into a career, the military, or university with a faster way forward. Our CTE delivery model is built on 4 key experiences: classroom instruction, hands-on learning, work-based learning, and leadership development. These experiences are tied through connected learning, blending core subjects with real projects and community involvement to keep education aligned with workforce needs. Combined, they create a powerful model that prepares students for success in every direction. And it works. Nationwide, CTE students outperform their peers, graduating at higher rates, staying more engaged, and finding greater opportunity in both their careers and college pathways. Every student leaves with clarity, confidence, and a competitive edge. This is a gateway to opportunity. This is education that works. This is West-MEC.